over the years, Indigo has been training my methods. So Indigo as an organization has acquired great experience in teaching my methods across a wide range of groups, from public service to big business to small business, and do a very good job of it. They understand the methods extremely well, and I'm very happy to endorse their training and very happy that they are doing it, and that people will get properly trained in these methods if they work with Indigo, who are the ideal people for putting these methods from theory into practice and getting people to learn these skills and use these skills. That itself requires a lot of experience in training, and Indigo has this experience and is applying it and can apply it to your organization and your group.